Vansa Apple Services is the leading shop for all Apple products, repairs and servicing. We offer quality and affordable services in the shortest possible time. Are you having issues with your phone, iPad, MacBook or any Apple device? Vansa Apple Services is the way to go. We do screen replacements, battery replacements, water damages, software updates, hardware repairs of all kinds and nature. Not forgetting all iPhone accessories like original chargers, earphones, earpods, screen guards and classy up-to-date phone jackets. Trust us with all your Apple products and phone mishaps. We also offer original brand new and UK used products, be it an iPhone, MacBook or an iPad. Distance shouldn't be a problem because we can deliver to you. We are